Already another day, another task. I'm here on a call. A customer complained that the furnace burner will come on, but the flame will extinguish after a few seconds. So most likely the flame sensor is weak. It's not sending the rectify signal back to the board, or it could be anything, but that's my best guess given the experience. So let's find out and stay tuned. Alrighty, after having a conversation with the customer downstairs in the furnace room, it's a Linux G50, about 10 years, 2010, 9 give and take. And so I got my voltmeter put in series with flame sensor to check the integrity of the sensing rod, which delivers a rectified signal back to the board. Needs to be measured about between 1.5 milliamps to 3.5 milliamps, and if it is 0.5 or lower, which means it's weaker. And there's two ways to fix it. We can give it a nice good clean, or secondary options to replace it. Now we got 1.1. It means it's weak, and we will talk to the customer. See what happens. Alright, here you go. So the flame sensor needs to be replaced, and here we are. This is what it looks like. 52W29, the model and the flame sensor. And let's go and get this done.